want to sell them for $331,000. Are you willing to gamble a $500 to $1,000 inspection on a $330,000 investment?
Hi, this is Matt with Hawley Inspections. Today we're going to talk about the difference between the cheap guy and the guy that does it right. Look at this valley. Just about everything you can imagine is wrong in this valley is wrong. Now we're going to jump over to the first of the chimneys. You can see the tar smeared all over it. You can see where it's pulling away. And then we're going to look at this ridge cap here real fast. This ridge cap was not installed properly. There's nails off of it. Just about everything you can do wrong on a ridge cap is done wrong here. You look at these standard 3-tab shingles. They should be staggered. These, for the most part, are not. A handful of them are, but most of them are not. We're going to jump over to this beautiful job they did of smearing tar all around the plumbing boot and the plumbing stack, preventing it from being able to be seen to be inspected properly. This is generally a quick indicator that there's a leak there, and they're trying to stop it. Here they didn't even try to stagger the shingles. We just have a running river raceway straight off of this roof. And of course we go over here to the other chimney. Instead of installing the cap properly, let's just put some bricks on top of the flashing to help hold it in place. This is the difference between the cheap guy and a quality guy.
If you enjoyed this video or found it informative, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit us at www.hawleyhomeinspectionsllc.com. Thank you.